Here we have a 2019 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2-litre bi-turbo. Now on this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked, aftermarket Riviera alloy wheels, and they are in 20-inch. Now they are all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We have the daylight running LED side lights, the Raptor style front grille with the lower bash bar just down there as well. Wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle really does make this car stand out from the rest. Side steps on either side, privacy glass on the rear as well on the truckman cab, roof bars on the vehicle and also on the truckman cab as well. Front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. Opening up the split fold tailgate, you can see the inside of the truckman cab there as well into the flatbed. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the full leather seats throughout with the fabric accents, ISOFIX points, pull down armrests. You also have 230 and 12 volt connectivity in the centre, electric windows in the rear. Going to the front, and there's a look at the driver's front seat. As both driver and passenger have the heated seat function, and the driver's seat is also electric. Electric windows just there, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Now as you can see, this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and it's covered just over 33,620 miles. We have your satellite navigation in the centre. We can also find your DAB radio, Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. You can see the climate control just down there. Now it's dual zone. You can see the 2 heated front seats are also on. Just there we have your parking sensors, stop start on and off, traction control on and off, rear diff lock and also downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video, go through all the different specifications that comes with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.